This is a multi-part tutorial demonstrating how to set up a simple Kafka messaging server using Docker Compose with persistent storage. I will be demonstrating using a T3 small EC2 instance on Amazon. I will update the available Linux packages and upgrade them if necessary. The commands used are sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade YY. A server reboot may be required after the upgrade. Next, I will install the Docker engine, Docker Compose, and add the user to the Docker group. The commands are provided on the screen. Remember to log out and log back in after adding the user to the Docker group for the changes to take effect. Now that we have installed the Docker engine and Docker Compose, we will verify they are installed and running. We will verify the Docker engine installed using Docker version and run a simple Hello World container, then verify the Docker Compose installation. Thank you for watching part 1 of this video. Look for part 2 for installing the Kafka container.